This is strategy number 41 in our 60 series, and is brought to us by Low Rollers Craps YouTube channel. The title of this video is Christmas Dice, 135 across, 3 hits and regress. And Lucas rolled this out in December of 2020, and to date he has over 3,500 views on it. He starts with a $1,500 bankroll, which is right here, and he starts off with a $60 pass line bet. Now that $60 will win if the 7 or 11 is rolled on the come out roll. It'll lose if the 2, 3, or 12 is rolled, and any other number will become the point up here. He also does not use any kind of dice set, so let's do this with the random shooter. Coming out, dice out, and we have a 4, 4, 8, hard 8, square pair. Okay, so what he does now is he will play at the $25 level across. So let's go 25, 25, 30, 25, and 25. Okay, since my table is a buy bet at $20 or more on the 4 and 10, these would be buy bets. If that would hit, that would pay out $50, and that's for a $1 vig. He also does a $5 hard 4, $5 hard 10, and he does something called a high-low bet. A high-low means that this is a 1-1 or a 6-6, and this is a one-roll bet. If either one of them hits, they get paid out $30 for that $1 bet. Okay, let's roll this out, and we're going to go for 3 hits. And we have a 5, 3, 8. That's our point, so that's perfect. So as the puck comes off, we're going to get paid out $60 on that 8. And that would be hit number 1. And let's do this once, guys, so we can mark these hits. This will be hit number 1. Okay, we're going to lose this here, our high-low. We're going to take this off. We're going to put this in our rack. And everything on the table is off except for that pass line bet. Okay, dice out, coming out, looking for a point. And we have a 4, 2, 6. So puck goes to the 6. We're going to roll, slide that over to the 8. And we're going to go with a $2 high-low bet. Okay, dice out, looking for that second hit. And we have a 6, 3, 9. That's perfect. That 9 is going to pay out $35. And what we're supposed to do is we're supposed to press both of those hits. So let's do that quick. We made $60 off that come out roll. Remember that. So let's put that out there. Let's see if we can press this stuff up. Let's make the 8 look like $60. Let's make that 9 look like 50. 5 look like 50. Let's go 5 on the 10, and we'll go 10 on that 4. There we go. So that looks pretty good. We're going to lose that high-low, so we're going to go back up on that. And that was hit number 2. So we should be all caught up now here, guys. Looking for that third hit. Dice out. And we have a 3, 1, 4. So that means we're going to lose that hard-way bet. We're going to lose the high-low. But we're going to get paid out $60, and that comes for a $2 vig. So let's throw the $2 out there, and we're going to get paid out $60 for that. Okay, now that was our third hit. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down on everything. And we're going to go with 54 across now. That's 2 bets on all the open numbers. 2 units. So that means that we're going to go with $10 on the 4, 5, 9, and 10. And we're going to go with $12 on the 8. And we're just going to rack all these quarters now. So that is money, earned money, profit money. Again, my table is a buy bet at $20. So these are not going to be buy bets. These are place bets on the 4 and 10. We're also going to go back up with a $5 hard 4, and we're going to go with a $2 high-low. Okay, everything should be set and everything should be ready to go. Dice out. And we have a 5-2-7. So dice, everything on here comes off. Puck comes off. And that was a loser and all that stuff. But hey, we earned our money on that shooter. So that was not really that big of a loss. We should be ahead on our bankroll. Okay. Let's do this one more time here, guys. So we're going to go $50 on the pass line for the come out. Again, that pays on a 7 or 11, loses on a 2, 3, or 12. Coming out, and we got a 4, 3, 7. So that's perfect on that. That's going to pay out $60. We're just going to put that in our rack. And coming out, looking for that point yet. And we have a 3-1-4. So the point is a 4. And again, we're going to go to that $25 level across. So that's 25, 30, 30, 25, 25. And that is a buy bet on the 10. We're going to go with a $5 hard 4, $5 hard 10. And we're going to go with that high-low bet. Okay, everything should be set up. And let's go dice out. And we have a 2-2-4. Perfect. Hey, that is our point. So the puck comes off. We're going to get paid out $60 on that pass line bet. And we're going to get paid out 7-1 on this. So we're going to get paid out $35 over there. Okay, now that was hit number 1, I believe, on this. So we're going to be able to spread this out. So let's make the 6 look like 60. Let's make that 8 look like 60. We'll make the 9 look like 50. And let's make the 10 look like, yeah, we'll do this one. 25 and a 10 and a 4. And we'll put the $10 on there. Okay, now all of our bets up here are off for the come out roll. And dice out, coming out, looking for a point. And we have a 6-6-12. Okay, that will actually lose on that pass line bet. So let's do this once. So let's go back up on it again. Okay, dice out, coming out. And we have a 6-2-8. Perfect. Okay, so the puck goes to the 8. We'll take this off. And since that was earned money, we lost that $60 on the pass line. Let's just rack this up for now, so that way we got that pass line bet back. Okay, and dice out. Looking for hit number 2. That's a 1-1-2. By the way, we lost this before, and we should have went back up on it, and we lost it again. No, actually we won it. That's a 1-1-2. That's a high-low. So that is our low here, guys. So we lost the high, but we're going to get paid out $30 on that low. Okay. So that was hit number 2, actually. So let's put this out here. We can spread this out. Let's go make the 9 look like 50. And let's make that 5 look like $40. Okay, everything should be set. Let's put another $1 out there for that high-low. And looking for a third hit. Good, dice out. And we have a 6-1-7, so did not get it. So everything on here comes off, which is fine, guys, because we are just showing how the strategy works. Let's take everything off and let's see where we ended up with the bankroll. Remember, we started off with $1,500 in our bankroll. And let's count out our singles first. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 25. And that's 5 right there. Okay. So now let's do our nickels. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's $75 there. And that's 100. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, that's 100. And that's 3, 4, that was actually 400, guys. And we got 300 there. Okay, and we got this here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we start off with $1,500. And something just does not look right because I thought we made money off of this, but hey, let's just go with this anyhow. We got $1,400, $1,450, $1,465, $1,468. So, hey, I'll leave a link in the description of my video here to the original video that was rolled out by Low Rollers Craps. Also, if you like my crap strategy videos, click on that link over here on the side. My friends, my name is Joe, and this is my Craftsmaster journey. Let's make it yours too.